Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on OrganiGram, or ticker OGI. Here's a look what it's done over the last year. So could have got into it at $1.19, and just like HEXO did on February 10th, hit the high. It sold out at $6 and rebought at $2.68 and sold out again at $4.44, and then on down it's going again. So currently at $2.47. Here's a look at the last 3 months. Been up and down 19.5% on last month, and the last week's been kind of up and down. And here's a look at what it's done today. So I have 45 shares here at cost basis of $3.45, so I need to buy some more and lower my cost basis, but I haven't. So try to diversify into quite a few different MJ plays, but this is all that I have of this one. So if you don't know what they are, they engage in the production and sale of medical MJ, focuses on producing MJ for patients and adult recreational consumers. Been around since 2010, 7 point, almost, we'll just call it 8 million average shares, and a market cap of 915 million. Getting close to $1 billion, so it's been up over $1 billion a time or two, and 80% hold, so not the greatest ratings either. Here's a look at the earnings, and last I tried buying was $3.05 back in March, and looks like it started going down maybe, and it's down below even when I bought back in March. So you win some, you lose some, but these are long-term hold for me, so it doesn't really affect me too much. But bare minimum of 2 years, probably more like a 5-year, and if you really want to get a good return on these, I just say hold them for a decade. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but can OrganiGram Holdings Incorporated be a safe investment now? And this is just dated here today. Shares rose in value on Friday the 23rd, with the stock price down 1.60 to the previous day close, as a strong demand for buyers drove the stock to $2.46. Actively observing price movement in recent trading, the stock is buoying the session at $2.50, falling within a range of $2.48 and $2.63. Value of the beta 5-year monthly is 1.23, referring to stock's 52-week performance. Its high was $6.45 and the low was 101. On the whole, OGI has fluctuated minus 12.28% over the past month. With the market capitalization of OrganiGram currently standing at about $745 million, investors are eagerly awaiting the quarter results scheduled on July 13th, 2021, and we already passed that. Revisions could be useful indicator to get insight on the short-term price movement. And so here it kind of goes over some of the ratings, and we'll go over that here at the end on the tip ranks. And I consider all these buy. I like to diversify into quite a few different ones of these. They all have their own niche, and all have something that's interesting about them, so I just kind of like to diversify into a lot of them, as well as some of the ETFs I've also talked about here on the channel. So I'll try to link those all in the description as well. So, and here is another article. The future belongs to OrganiGram Holdings, OGI for risk-tolerant investors. During the last session, OrganiGram Holdings traded shares were 5.15 million at the end of the trading day. The stock's price of $2.50, reflecting an intraday loss of minus 4.58%, or minus 12 cents. The 52-week high for OGI share is $6.45. That puts it down 1.58, or 158.0. I'm sorry, wrong point. And 52-week low of 101. So Again, these haven't been doing so great here lately. They hit the high back in February and have just struggled to get back up ever since then. So we'll wait and see what the future holds for these. So, like I said, I'm in these for the long term. So I try to buy the dips whenever I can and pick up a couple more shares, and that's what I try to do with these. So OGI currently 1.98 below its 200 period moving average. What does this mean? And OrganiGram price surged 1.98% to reach 5 cents. The company reported on July 15, 2021 that OrganiGram launches MJ Innovators Panel. Panel supports a company's ongoing commitment to consumer-driven product development and innovation. 1 second here. Plug in my battery before it dies. So OGI, the parent company of OrganiGram, is a leading producer of MJ. Pleased to announce the launch of the MJ Innovators Panel. MJ Consumer Panel, offering real-time insights into consumer preferences, usage occasions, and future development opportunities. And so some other information in here kind of goes over, reached a high of 258, kind of already went over some of that. The stock performance analysts, we'll go over that at the end, so I'm just going to slowly scroll through for those of you that would like to read the rest of it. Otherwise, you can find this on dbtnews.com. Insider position details. And OrganiGram stock hinders minus 2.58%, but it may be a worthy investment. And this is just dated on the 20th. Trading price of OrganiGram floating lower at last check on Monday, July 19th, closing at $2.45, or minus 2.58% lower than its previous close. Traders who pay close attention to intraday price movement should know that it has been fluctuating between $2.41 and $2.60. Examining the 52-week price action, we see that the stock hit a 52-week high of $6.45 and a low of $1.01. So quite a bit of volatility in there, but we'll see what it does for the rest of the year if we can get the price up. Moving on, because we'll cover some of the ratings and everything here at the end. So Holdings reports third quarter fiscal 2021 results. The parent company, Incorporated, leading licensed producer of MJ, announced its results third quarter on May 21, 2021. Pleased to with the growth, sorry about that, of Q3, as we're staffed to fulfill the demand for our revitalized product portfolio, which continues to resonate well with consumers. And so here it kind of goes over some earnings. Again, you can find this on MarketWatch. Here's kind of some of the gross revenue, excise tax, and net revenue. Over here to Reddit. I don't even think that's for OrganiGram. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.46. Low of 101, high of 645, and 4.05 million shares. Sundial, Tilray, OrganiGram, and ACB. Do you get it? The MJ sector is being manipulated, so that could very well be. January 2023, $5 call over 4,100 open interest. That's interesting. So these are usually the most popular ones: Sundial, Tilray, ACB, and OrganiGram. I've talked about all those on the channel here. Over here on Tip Ranks, showing it as a hold with a 51% upside to $3.72, high of $5, low of $2.98. And we'll see if there's anything here on Twitter. Add now and waiting for buy signal. Making it happen. Date so far, upcoming report period. But that's all that I have on OrganiGram. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis and any other comments that you may have in regards to OrganiGram that we can all share. And if you have a favorite MJ play, go ahead and leave that in the comments as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.